Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to buy XRP on Metamask. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now, in order to get this token onto your Metamask, make sure you're on the BNB Smart Chain by clicking the network toggle at the top of the screen and selecting BNB Smart Chain. So make sure you're on the BNB Smart Chain. Once there, simply scroll through and click on the XRP token. So make sure you've added the XRP token on your Metamask. Once you've added the XRP token here, there are a couple of ways you can buy this token. You're going to need to perform a swap. How do you perform a swap? Make sure you have some BNB, which is the native token of the BNB Smart Chain. Make sure you have this BNB, you have a good amount of the BNB to perform the swap. Once you've gotten yourself some BNB, you can get it by clicking on the buy option and proceeding to pay with any of your credit card info. Now, once you've purchased some BNB, scroll through and select the XRP token. Once the XRP token has been selected, where we have the swap option, click on swap. And in place of XRP to a selected token, move it over so it says select the token to XRP. So the token we're going to be selecting is the BNB token. So simply search for the BNB token, click on the it, and then enter an amount. So let's say this much amount, and then all you need to do is simply click on get quotes, and it's going to be fetching the quotes. So for this BNB, you're going to be getting this much XRP, and all you need to do is simply swipe to swap your token, and you'd have your XRP in place of the BNB. And that's how it's done. So that's basically how you can buy XRP on Metamask. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.